How's it going, everybody, and welcome to this Amazon affiliate marketing course for 2021, step-by-step, easy for beginners, all of that. So today what we'll be using is TikTok as a traffic source to drive traffic to your links, earn money, gain a commission, all of that. So let's go over the steps we'll be learning in this video. As you can see, first step is create a TikTok account. That step it can seem easy, and I'm sure all you guys who are watching this might already have a TikTok account, but the way we're going to set up this TikTok account is as a business, because I'm not sure if a lot of you guys know, TikTok has set this thing to where you can't put a link in your bio unless you have 1,000 followers. I'm going to show you guys how to get around that with 0 followers, and you'll be able to post the link. So that's a pretty important step. Next, you're going to sign up for Amazon Associates or Amazon Affiliates. It's the same thing. Next, you're going to create a link tree. What Linktree is just a link bank for all your links, your affiliate links, so you can gain commission. Next is going to be how to create and edit your videos, which that whole process in itself is super easy. And then, of course, the last step is everybody loves, is to get paid. So with that being said, let's go ahead and head on to the first step, and we'll jump over to my phone screen and I'll show you guys how to do everything. Alrighty guys, here we are on step number 1, and what you're looking at now is my TikTok page. As you can see, I got a logo and everything, but I don't know if you guys noticed, I am under 1,000 followers. TikTok doesn't allow anybody under 1,000 followers to post a link in the bio. As you can see, I don't have no link. If I go over here, oh, I'm sorry, wrong one. If I go to edit profile, as you can see under bio, it doesn't say I can put a website, I can't put nothing. So what you're going to want to do to change that is go up to the top right corner, click the 3 dots, and go to manage account. At the very bottom, you'll see switch to pro account. Click that, and once you get here, you want to click business. This right here is just showing you all the different niches. So you want to click your niche. For Amazon, typically I use shopping and retail. So we'll go ahead and click next. Welcome to your business account. Amazon under $100. You now have more tools to connect with your audience on TikTok. So basically what this is saying is you can do your analytics and all that, watch time and all that different jazz. So we're going to go ahead and click skip. And as you can see, the link in my bio pops up. What you're going to want to do to get that is go back up to the 3 dots, go to the very bottom, and it says join TikTok testers. Go ahead and click that. And once you get there, it's going to say to download an app called TestFlight. Go ahead and download that once you're in the App Store, or you can just click the button, view in the App Store. Once you get that downloaded, you go ahead and open it. And right here, as you can see, no apps available to test. If you go up here to click redeem code. Now, when I first started, I didn't get no code, and I'm sure you guys didn't get a code. So what you're going to want to do is go back to TikTok, and then under the TikTok logo, you'll see start testing button. Go ahead and click that button, and it'll take you to the app, and just click accept. Now on TestFlight, you'll see something under apps called TikTok. Once that's there, you can go ahead and open this up, go back, and go to edit profile, and under bio, you should be able to see something called website. You'll be able to post your link and drive traffic. Alright, here we are on step number 2. As you can see, it says first step is to go to affiliate-program.amazon.com and register as an affiliate. So let's go ahead and hop on to Amazon Associates, and I'll show you how to sign up. Okay, so here we are. I've opened up an incognito window, and I'm going to look up Amazon Affiliates. Affiliate or Associates will work. You can just look that up, and right here it says Amazon.com Associates Central. Go ahead and click that. Once you get here, click sign up, and I'm going to go ahead and sign in and everything. You guys can sign in. It's pretty simple. If you already have an Amazon account, it should be fairly simple in regards of just crossing everything over. When you get signed up, you will need a tax ID number. You don't have to provide it right away. You'll still be able to get affiliate links and all that jazz. You just won't be able to get paid until you provide that information. So let's go ahead and take a look at Amazon Associates. Alrighty, you guys, here we are in Amazon Associates, and this is the main area you'll be spending most of your time. And this is how you get your product links and affiliate links to whatever products you want to sell. So right here you see a search bar, and it says keyword or ASN and /ISB. What we're going to do is just put in a random gadget. Let's say we'll go ahead with dog water bottle since it's already there. We'll look that up and say this is the one that we want, $18.99. What we're going to do is click link, and if you want to encode it into your website, you could do this. But mainly what you would do with TikTok and Linktree is just go to text only, and you can either use a standard link or a short link. I use a short link, but you can use either one. It's up to you, personal preference really. Once you get that, go ahead and just copy this, and then we'll go on to the next step, and that is showing you how to set up a Linktree. Alrighty, so to set up a Linktree, you want to go ahead and look up Linktree, and then click this one. And if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and sign up for free. If you do, go ahead and log in. Signing up is fairly easy, it's step by step, so that you shouldn't have no hassle doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. So here we are in my Amazon Under 100 Linktree. I'll go ahead and show you guys all these products I have available. And I'm just showing you guys the free version. I use the free version. I usually use the Amazon Associates to look at all the analytics, so I don't really need Pro, so I don't pay for it. But as you can see, I started this page 4 or 5 days ago, and these are all the products I have available. And as you can see, I've already had 357 views and 392 clicks. So what you're going to want to do is click add new link and enter the title of whatever your product is. So I chose dog water bottle, so I'm going to just put in dog water bottle, and then right here it says URL. Go ahead and click that and go back to Amazon Associates, and your product link, your affiliate link, go ahead and just copy that and put it in the URL, and boom, just like that, you're set really. You see, if we go up here to my Linktree, you'll see dog water bottle, and it goes straight to a dog water bottle, the one we chose, $18.99. And if they purchase and go through with their order, you'll earn a commission. So now that you know how to set up your Linktree, and you got your associates account set up and everything, now is the important part of creating videos and driving traffic to your links. So let's go ahead on to the next step, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Alright, you guys, so here we are once again on my phone. As you can see, we're in the App Store, or if you didn't know, I'm in the App Store. And what you're going to want to look up is VN Video Editor. It should be the first one under the ad. It should have a white and black logo. I already have it downloaded, as you can tell. But go ahead and download this app, and make sure it's this app. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And as you can see, I already have all these videos created. And I'm going to go ahead and click New Project. And I'm going to go ahead and use the last video I used previously. So I'm going to click this. And I'll go ahead and let this play for you guys, just to show you what it is.
This is a time-locking safe container that's perfect for anyone who wants to break a habit. To use it, you set the time by twisting the dial on top.
Alright, so if by now you don't know what I did, is I downloaded this video from TikTok. As you can see, it's got the badges on in the top left and right, or the bottom right, I'm sorry, corners. What I'm going to do is show you how to crop those out and still get the vertical look without the black bars. So go ahead and just move your timeline to where you'll be able to see the logo in the left corner, and go down and click crop. And what I'm going to do is drag this top right corner down until you can't see the letters. So as you see in the top right corner, or top left corner, I'm sorry, I think I've been saying right this whole time, but left, top left corner, as you can see the lettering is not visible. So now click the check in the bottom right, and go ahead and move your timeline over to where you can see the bottom right logo. As you see, it pops up, and go back to crop. And this time I'm going to grab the bottom left. Grab the bottom left and just pull it to the middle up until the logo is not there no more. So I'm going to leave it right there and click check, and boom, you'll see the video.
This is a time-locking safe container that's perfect for anyone who wants to break a habit. So before these side tabs come out and the container is locked.
So it's easy as that. You could then export that and upload it to TikTok and look for the Amazon link, affiliate link, and put that in your link tree. Now, if you don't want to do that and you want to do something more of your own content, what you can do is, I'll go ahead and discard this. Okay, so if you don't want to make those type of videos, you can also make these type of videos where you have a little intro, and these photos are just random photos, so don't pay any mind to them. They're just products I've used in the past. But once you have all these exported into your timeline, you'll want to go ahead and click tap to add music, and then click music, and you can extract from video. And what this does is, once you click whatever video you want to use, it'll just take the sound from that, and you'll be able to use the sound instead of having the sound along with the video. But I already have one ready, so I'm gonna go to mine, and I'm gonna just choose one of them.
Gadgets you didn't know you needed.
Amazon Favorites, Part 9.
Find a song.
Amazon must have
Let's see.
3 things you need from Amazon.
12 Amazon products.
Amazon finds
So as you can see, I have all these sounds I use for my content on my page, which I really encourage doing what I just showed you rather than just music. But see, we'll use this one. But if you want to do this, you can do this too. It works. I do both methods. It's pretty simple. Like I said, making the videos is way too simple to not be making loads of money. If you want to add transitions, that's usually what I do. You can just put them there, like you just saw me do. Go to this one, click FX, and I have a 3. I like to use this shake. I like using this shake. But you guys get the whole point of it. It's all fairly simple and way too simple. And here we are at step 5, which is time to get that money. Time to get paid. Time to get that bread. Time to get that moolah. However you want to put it. It's time to get paid. Obviously there's no steps to this. Just get your money. As I did mention before, earlier in the video, Amazon will require you to put tax ID in to get, withdraw your money, but you could wait to do that up until you start actually making a good bit of money, which that's what I've been doing. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, or rather this course. I hope you all found it knowledgeable, easy to go by. If it wasn't, I apologize. But subscribe and like, and be sure to turn on the post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload more videos. I'm trying to grind out these videos to help individuals out there within the e-commerce business or e-commerce industry. So if that's something you like I said, please consider hitting the subscribe button. If not, completely okay. I just hope you guys found some knowledge throughout this video, and let me know how your guys' results are. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you did this strategy. If you do, I want to see the results. I want to see how much money you make, and so on and so forth. But without me talking any further, I'll let you guys go, and thanks for watching.